Hi guys, this is Ginger from Eagle Side, and today I want to introduce a little bit more about our palm sack. As you can see that I'm holding 5 pieces palm bag, and the main difference are two. The one is the valve are different, and the second is the workmanship, or we can see how we stitch this palm bag is different. And now let me take the phone a little bit close up and show you the difference of these two sleeping bags. Two palm bag in almost the same size as you can see, but the weight is very different. This one made by TPU fabric is 160 grams, but this one is 100 grams, which is about 60 grams lighter than this one. As you can see from the palm bag that except for the opening part, that you can't see any stitching around all the palm bag, which means that we don't stitch this fabric together. This is high frequency pressed bed machine with the palm bag tooling. So this can be very durable when you are using it, and you can also use it as a dry bag. But for this one, with the PU coating fabric, except for the stitching at the opening, we also need to stitch the whole palm bag all around, like this side and also the bottom. But now it's not waterproof, so we also need to PU coating all the stitching like how we do for the tent or the top. So now it's 100% waterproof. You can also use it as a palm bag or as a dry bag. And another difference is the valve. For this one, it has a bigger valve that you can normally see it as the sleeping pad. This is a valve base and this is a valve cover. So this means we can connect both valves together. Now it is 100% waterproof. You can use it as a dry bag. But for this type of palm sack, we normally don't add the larger valve, the valve base. We only add this small valve cover. We use it for inflating the sleeping pad. And besides of this kind of valve, we also have another type of valve, like this. The difference is the valve shape is a little bit different, and this has a valve cover on it. So it can be easily used as a 100% waterproof dry bag. But until now, we don't have the valve cover for this type of valve yet. And for the function, this is the valve to match with the 2 layers of valve, and this is for the 1 layer valve. Now I can use a sleeping pad to explain a little bit more. As you can see, this is a 2 layer of valve. This is the first layer and this is the second layer. So for this kind of valve, we need to match the palm sack with this kind of 2 layers valve. So it can be connect together, and then you can start to inflate. But for this type of valve, it has 1 layer only. So we need to use this kind of valve cover to connect it, and then to inflate the whole sleeping pad. I want to show you that how long it will take to inflate a sleeping pad with 2 different palm sack. This one is TPU palm sack and this one is PU palm sack. We prepared 2 exactly same sleeping pads and now are all deflated. Now I want Maggie to help me to inflate another sleeping pad. We will inflate the sleeping pad together and show you the performance. Now we have both sleeping pads 100% inflated. As you can see from the video that Maggie, how many times you used to inflate the whole sleeping pad?
3 times.
3 times, but still have half air for the third times. And I use 3 times to inflate the whole sleeping pad too, but I have a little bit less air comparing to Maggie. So we can see that if you use both pump bag, then the PU coating pump bag can be inflated the whole sleeping bed a little bit faster than the TPU pump bag. But both can be very helpful for you to inflate the whole sleeping pad when you are going outside for camping. So this video, I just want to tell you that if you like, you can customize any color or the size of all the palm sack. So bye bye for today.